What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can add new crypto wallet addresses to your Revolut app as a withdrawal addresses. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are interested in stock market investing or stock trading with zero fees, you can open an account with Trading212 and use the promo code from the description below to get one free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency. And now let's continue. Now, first off, once you open up your Revolut app, from your homepage, you would need to go to the crypto section right here. And in the crypto section, you would just need to click send. From there, you would need to select to which cryptocurrency your address that you would like to add corresponds to. So let's say that you want to add your ADA wallet to your Revolut account, you would need to select ADA, or if you want to add your Avalanche wallet to Revolut, then you would select Avalanche. But in my case, I would like to add my Solana wallet in the Revolut app. So in that case, I will just select Solana, and then I will click add wallet address. And here, just go ahead and paste over the wallet address that you have copied from your Solana wallet. Then you can just name this wallet, so let's say Phantom, and then you can just click save. And from there, that wallet address will be added to your Revolut address book, from where you can just quickly select it and withdraw your crypto from your Revolut account to that wallet. And that's guys how you can add a new wallet address in your Revolut crypto address book for a withdrawal wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.